There's a question from YouTube by s.a.w. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am a reverted Muslim from Bangladesh. Please, I need your help. My family don't concern about my marriage. I stay lonely near my job place. What should I do for marriage now? My family will never help me for marriage. I can't get Muslimah for marriage because I am a reverted lonely Muslim. What should I do? The brother has posed a question from Bangladesh. He is a revert Muslim. He's from Bangladesh, and because he is a Muslim, or he was a non-Muslim, and reverted to Islam, he may not be having many Muslim friends, and he wants to get married. He cannot find a good Muslimah. The best thing you can do, brother, is that amongst your friend circle who are Muslims, why don't you spread this message that I've reverted? And surely, if you go to the masjid, if you're praying in the masjid, if you have a Muslim organization, or there are some Muslim newspapers which have this column of, marriage. So my advice to you would be that amongst your Muslim friends, in your neighborhood, in your city, in your mosque, in the organization, see to it that you spread this message that I am a revert Muslim. And when you see to it that you can tell the qualities that you have, that if you are a pious Muslim who's revert, inshallah, surely there will be someone, there may be another revert Muslim lady who's searching like you for a match, possible, or there may be Muslimas, Muslim women who are looking for pious husband, and if you can convince them that you are a good practicing Muslim, inshallah it's possible. But see to it that you spread this message amongst the Muslims around you, your locality, your area, your city, in your mosque, etc. And inshallah, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that may you get a pious wife, and may He put you and your wife both in Jannat al-Firdaus. Amen.